Next up is 2016 Panini Infinity. Gonna have 3 hits, 1 pack, at least 1 auto, hopefully 2. 2016 Infinity. Just the 1 pack. 2016. I think there's a rookie on the back. For the Bears, rookie Leonard Floyd. Leonard Floyd rookie for the Bears. That is not numbered. Base card Colin Kaepernick for the 49ers. Colin can't get a job. Kaepernick. That is not numbered. Ooh, a nice one. For the Packers, Clay Matthews. Numbered 7 out of 8. Must be the black version. A nice one for the Packers. Clay Matthews, 7 of 8. Nice. Wasn't expecting that one. Alright, and I think the hits start after this one. Got an Alex Collins out of 288. Gonna be a jersey. For the Seahawks, Alex Collins. Jersey out of 288. Alex Collins for the Seahawks. Ooh, looks like a nice one for the Texans. A dual jersey. Will Fuller and Braxton Miller. For the Texans, that one's numbered out of 288. Dual jersey, Will Fuller and Braxton Miller. Pretty nice one. And the last one should be an auto. Looks like a Seahawks, CJ Procease. Auto, CJ Procease for the Seahawks out of 288. A couple Seahawks hits. CJ Procease is the auto.